How to export contacts from Android to iPhone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to transfer your contacts from Android to iPhone. Let's get started right away. First thing first, open up your contacts on your phone, and once you open up your contacts, all you have to do is tap on the three lines at the top left, and then from here, head over to Manage Contacts or the Contact Settings, and just tap on it. And once you head over to Manage Contacts, here you'll have different options like Merge Contacts, Import Contacts, and Export Contacts. Now just click on Export Contacts. So you're going to have to go ahead and transfer it to your internal storage and then click on Export. Now it will take a while to export your contacts and a VCF file will be exported to your internal storage. Now click on OK. And after you've done that, you're just going to have to go to your file. And as you can see, the VCF contact has been exported. All you have to do is long press on it and then share it to your Google or Gmail. So from here, you're just going to have to go ahead and select Gmail. Once you select your Gmail, you can send it to whoever you want or your secondary email, and you can use that email on your iPhone to import the contact from there. And it's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.